we doing, mate?
What are we doing? We're going fishing.
Morning. Different start to this trip. I'm in a boat, and we're with this handsome fella, Gilly.
Morning.
We're fishing for barra. First time in a boat with a fly rod, and the first time fishing for barra. So I'm pretty bloody pumped. Let's crack into it.
When walking around and stuff, silent. No loud talking, no banging, no like anything, because I'll hear you. They feel you. So the less you do, the better off. Like no sound.
Bigfoot over here is going to struggle, stomping around on the rocks all day.
The main thing that we're kind of looking for is that fish that are moving across the surface where they'll actually you'll see a bow wake and you'll go, oh, or like a back or a tail. And you're like, I've got you, it's your mine. Literally at the front of the boat.
I see him.
Got him?
Yep.
Leave it. Okay, strip. Leave it. Strip it a little bit. He's coming. He's right in front of you. Okay. Pick it up, put it in front of him.
He was huge.
He was a big one, bro.
We just spooked that last one. He was just coming in so quick. They're around, so that's the most important thing. We found him. Gilly's found him. You seen another one, have you?
Down, so you're gonna lead this fish.
Yep, I got him.
Keep an eye on him. He's still going right. Perfect. Strip it.
Oh.
You just leave it, and then as he's comes over to it, go boom, boom, and you go ooh, and then try and move it with him.
Yep. Like tease him.
Yeah.
Tickle his nuts. He's going. I think he's going to go left.
Yeah.
I'm going to cast left.
Go left. Perfect. You bring that to him. Bring it to him. Pause it. Twitch it. He's coming, he's gonna eat it. Keep it coming. Got it?
Yep.
Yep, got him. Yes, bro. Pull him tight.
Yep.
Let him go. Let him go a bit. Keep tension.
Yep. On the reel.
Just keep tension. Careful pulling him up through the weeds. It's gonna be tight as.
I'm just going slow. He's not moving. He's a big fucking barra, man.
Yeah.
I don't think he's coming out.
Don't know if you've got him, eh? Yeah.
Oh. There's more, we'll get him.
He's coming straight towards you.
Oh, yep.
Pick it up. Go left.
It's too hard.
Yeah. Just keep an eye on him. No, he never. Keep going left. Push that, push it. Oh, no, it's going left.
Yep.
Long cast, yeah, long cast.
In the line. I can't see him.
There he is, he was just on it. He was fully on it. I was going to say he would be on that.
Is he spooked?
Yep. Stop. Go. No! Leave it. Twitch it. Keep it moving. Oh.
Not that way. He's dropped down.
He's still there. Stop it.
Yep. Oh, fuck!
What the fuck happened?
Yeah.
No, it's literally just line management. That's holding too tight. Your leader's too, 80 pound you'd think, yeah, but it's still 80 pounds. It's just not strong enough with these fish.
I wasn't giving him fucking anything after the last one, and I'm using 80 pounds, so I thought, mate, this thing ain't breaking, but it just broke right sort of where the loop knot, right at the knot.
Just rasps.
Anyway, we only had a limited window in the morning to try and get one on the board, and we couldn't quite make it happen. So it was time to see Gilly off and do what I came here for, to spend 9 days on a remote island chasing GTs off the rocks on fly. Far out, look at this ledge, man. Oh my God. Look at this current just heaving through. I'm just running the 12 weight, got a 6.0 poly on there. You know the drill, let's go. Now that it's getting a bit darker, I'm gonna put on a lighter color. This one's a Fusilier, a colorway I've been working on. We've got about, I'd say, half an hour light left before it gets dark. We're gonna keep peppering. That's day one. Done. What a day. So keen to see how this ledge fishes tomorrow. It takes about a day just to sort of work out everything, what the tides do, where the best spot on the rocks is to stand, you know, what the current does throughout the day and when it's incoming and outgoing. The first day you sort of really figure all that out, and then you start to sink into a pretty good routine. My hopes are bloody high for this spot. What a ledge. It's currently peak high tide, so the current should just start pumping all the way out there. 12 weight set up, 180 pound leader. Let's go. So I've got this small zone here where the current's pushing over these two bombies, and I'm just hoping a GT swims past and annihilates the fly. Right there is where I'm hoping. It's gonna be hard to land one around those bombies, but that's where they're gonna be. The current's sweeping around this ledge a bit more, so I'm gonna cast back off there. Oh, it's already started. This ledge is quite tricky because I've got this sort of this rocky point here that comes out quite far, so I can only cast through that lane and then through that lane. So I'm casting from there out to there, and then from there out to there. That's why I harp on about the first day just being about trying to figure out where to stand at what points of the tide, just so I can maximize my time in the water. I'm gonna move around to this little sort of outcrop tip just here. It's crazy to think that we were fishing over that bomby before. Now we're gonna go stand on it. Gonna go off there, so I've got all this room here to cast. Oh, now we're in the zone. Oh, this is the zone. Oh, come on. Oh, my body's warmed up and we're really getting it out there now. So in the zone, look at all this current. The tide's dead low, it's about 1 o'clock now. So fished pretty much non-stop for about 6 hours. Saw nothing, which is a bit bizarre, but just gotta keep peppering, keep casting. So I'm gonna quickly make my way back around to camp. It's only 2 minutes back behind me, which is so good to have a quick walk, have something to eat, then get back out for the incoming session. What a day. A lot of hours casting. It's a bloody sick ledge. We're gonna get one here. Tide's still coming in. Back in time. We're at peak high tide now. Didn't really see anything, but it looks so fishy. Just keep casting. It is I don't know if you can see that, but it's 2 o'clock now. I've been casting since 6 a.m, so that's just 8 hours straight. I've fished ledges before where for days there's just nothing, and then all of a sudden, one afternoon, whatever it is that we don't know, they just turn on. So you're just gonna make sure you're there and you're ready when that happens. So I'm gonna have a break, have some water for 5 or 10 minutes, and then get ready for this incoming tide. Well, the wind's starting to blow on my face a fair bit, so I'm going to switch to this 6.0 poly minnow. I've been using an 8.0 all day, just going to downsize to help with the wind. I don't know if you guys are seeing this, but this rainbow is literally at my feet. Is that a sign? Yep, on, yep. Oh. Small GT. Oh. Woo! Oh. Pump him up. Oh. Oh. Oh, golden. Oh, big GT. Bigger GT with him. Tea leaf trevally. Holy shit, did you guys see the size of that GT with him? Small little tea leaf trevally. Oh, I'm so stoked. At least it's something, but there was like a 30 kilo GT trying to eat this guy. Far out, man. Woo! Let's get him back. Off you go, mate. We're on the board. Far out. Did you see the size of the GT trying to eat him? Oh my god. Let's keep casting. It's 5:30, end of another day. Sun's about to start setting behind me. There's some big GTs around, and we'll get one. Massive down the ledge. Body's starting to feel it now. We're about halfway, 4 days in. Another 4 days to go. as we start to get into these better days, we should start seeing more fish, which, I mean, if today's anything to go off, we should be on. See ya in the morning. Yep, holy shit. That was massive. My heart's racing. Oh. Quick, get out there. Good cast. Yep, on it. Yep, on it. Hit it. Yep, on. 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 I think it's a long tail. No. No. Spewing. There was gars flying out of the water, made a cast, landed perfectly right in front of him. Straight away, bang on. Was in his mouth for ages as he was taking line out, and I was hitting him at the same time. And then as soon as the line got on the reel, fly just came out. Who knows why, whether or not the hook was at the very front of his mouth and it just sort of slipped out. I mean, you never know. We'll get one day. So close. I cast it off that ledge for 6 hours. Nothing. It's about 4 o'clock to the tide. It's just about to turn. We've got about probably, I reckon, half an hour worth of light left before it's the end of the day. So I'm gonna fish. As you can sort of see behind me, there's a little bit of run starting to form now. And so we'll heckle that until we can't. What is my life right now? Man, those are the moments that stick in your mind forever. Like, fish dawn till dusk, I'm rooted. We're seeing more fish, that's all that matters. And we've had some bloody good chances. Just gotta stick one in the bloody gob. And we should be on. Water clear, current on, fish hopefully on. Oh my god, there's like a football field size of bait. Oh my god, that was on my fly. What? That was a little barracuda. Look at that swim, man. I've just sat down for 5 to wait for this tide to change, for the outgoing tide to start pumping. I haven't lost hope, but it'd be so nice to get a fish on the board by now. And the hard thing is you can't just relax and just do like a gentle cast and ease your body off. Like, you're trying to cast as far as you can every single cast, so you just can't slack off. Oh well. Keep going. Man, I cannot get over how clear this water is. It's a bloody aquarium. I've decided to give myself a little break. I've peppered this ledge here for the entire outgoing for the last 5 hours. Seen nothing, so I'm gonna go check out this flat over there. Change it up, see if I can catch any GTs moving onto the flat as the tide comes in. Just to give myself a little bit of a break. My body's literally falling apart. And it'd be nice to get off this fucking rock. This is a flat, all this here. We're trying to see if there's any GTs moving up onto this flat looking for bait, essentially. I've actually never fly fished any flat, so it'll be pretty cool if we can see anything. This is either going to be really good or really shit. Either way, I think it's going to be cool to see something. We're getting to the point where it's going to be a bit hard to wade when we're swimming, so I'm going to give us another 10 minutes and see if anything comes on. I'm back on the main ledge. The bait is still out in full force. That's unbelievable. Land-based fishing. One of the hardest things you'll ever do, but that feeling when you do land those fish are better than anything else out there. Yep. Something hit it. No idea what it was. Oh, what was that? It was like a long flash. It wasn't a GT. Oh! Massive GT just came up and had a look at it. Yep. Oh. Oh, what was that? Oh. Oh, come on. Finally, we've seen some GTs. One like 20 kilo GT. That thing was enormous. Came up and had a swipe right near the ledge. That's all we got to do now is just land one. Incoming tide's about to start pumping. Big day ahead of us. G the fuck up. A big part of this is trying to
trying to maximise the time which that flies in the water. So doing as few false casts as possible is so important. So I only do, you know, one pretty much sometimes. Like that's almost a full fly line with one back cast. So you got to get good at shooting that line quick. Might see if anything's moved in here whilst I've been peppering that ledge. Still a little bit of run left. Last full day tomorrow. I haven't lost hope at all, not one bit. It looks like tomorrow morning is going to be our best chance. This morning was on fire. Just got to stick one. I'm giving it my all though. Fuck, I'm pushing myself this trip. Let's hope we get one. Fuck. Man, this water's so clear. It's so clear. I've never really liked it when it's like super clear like this. It's just, I feel like you need a little bit going on. And whenever I've had really good success, lots of eats, all that sort of stuff, there's been a bit of, you know, it's a bit sort of turquoisey, it's a bit rough, there's a bit of commotion in the water. Whereas when it's dead still, I just never really, it just seems dead and too quiet. Still gonna fish my ass off. We've got all day today and tomorrow morning, but yeah, it's hard to fucking keep motivated when things are shut down. BGT. See the size of that thing? That was stupidly big. Casted my absolute arse off today. But as I keep saying, you just gotta destroy yourself and cast. So as I am now, you can't cast anymore. It's so bizarre, man. Like, there's so much current here and all the signs indicate that there should be fish, but we're just not hooking up. I've got about an hour tomorrow morning before the boat comes and picks me up to get in about an hour of fishing. So that's going to be our last chance to make something happen. It's been such a ripper trip. We've seen so much, but it'd be bloody nice to get one on the board now. I reckon I've pumped out at least close to 20,000 casts over the last 9 days. I so badly want to land the GT. It's not funny. I'm bloody overdue. Fucking fishing, why do we do it? I don't know. The current started to move, which is a good sign. Come on, man. Come on. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. One more cast. Keep going, man. Come on, man. Come on. I'm running back because I've just seen the boat coming. Mark's down to the trip. And fuck, I pushed it so hard this time. 9 days. Seen some bloody incredible fish. But this is the reality of fly fishing off the rocks. Like 99.9% of the time you're not going to see fish. But when you do, and you land them, fuck, that feeling will give you a high that lasts for fucking months, and it's the best feeling in the world. Oh well, we'll get that feeling soon. Next trip. Whew. If you haven't noticed already, we are on, what is this?
It's a Chitum snake bite.
So Nick from Hello Backing has allowed us to take out this absolute masterpiece. I can tell you from personal experience this morning, it's like standing on a pontoon all day. It's unreal. So yeah, massive thanks to them. But if you are looking to do stuff up here, they're starting up soon, and that is, you know, you don't want to look anywhere else.